What's up guys, it's Bobby here, and today I'm going to show you how to do more trades and get more feedback, my little hack on doing that, okay? So first off, let's go to sell my Bitcoin, okay? Gonna need some cash in here, okay? Sell my Bitcoin, and I'm gonna go ahead and use digital currency, okay? And then what I'll look for is anything, so Tether, Dogecoin, Litecoin. For this purposes, I'm going to go ahead and do XLM. Okay, XLM. I want to buy things that are break even, right? Either that or over. So look at that. So I'll get 4% gain. So I can do that. So what I'll do is I will buy, we'll say $200 worth, right? Sell it to this person. So I can go ahead and get $200 or $200 worth of XLM, okay? And then what you'll do is you'll give them your Exodus wallet. So you can go to receive here. So let me see, go to receive, and then copy that, give that to the seller, right, or buyer. And then once you get that, okay, you'll go ahead and buy, okay, buy Bitcoin. What you're gonna buy it with? You're gonna buy your Bitcoin with, so I have USD, buy your digital currency, okay, XLM. So I'm gonna buy Bitcoin with my XLM tokens, okay? So once I go ahead and buy these right here, let me see. So, zero, that's even, right? So I'll go ahead and put $10 and get $9.99 worth. So I'd buy that, and then as you can see, you guys will exchange feedback. So let me see here. So let me show you from buyers, okay? So this person got positive feedback for, buying Bitcoin with Dogecoin and TRON. So these are common ones. So you can buy Doge, right? And then use your Doge to buy like $10 worth of Bitcoin, $10 worth of Bitcoin with TRON, $10 Bitcoin of Doge. Yeah, and there probably is more here. Okay. What else? Litecoin, like I said. TRON, like I said. So guys, every little deposit, right? Every little deposit or purchase, you guys will trade. Okay, you guys will definitely trade and then give each other positive feedback. So the trick is to go ahead and go to all of these here. Okay, so before that, I would look up, what I can buy with Stellar Lumens. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 offers. Okay, maybe $100 worth of this. All right, and if you want to see other forms of digital currency, another one would be, maybe Litecoin, like I said, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 light trades that's active in the last 10 minutes. I mean, there's more, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So yeah, so like 12 people, $120 I would put in there, or 200, 150 because there are fees as well, right? Or if you want to use anything like, okay, digital currency, like I said, TRON, what's a big one, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, guys, so like 12 things, 12 sellers that will sell you Bitcoin for your TRON that you just bought. TRON, okay? Any questions, go ahead and leave them down below. Please give me a thumbs up if you had value with this type of content. Subscribe to the channel. I'm all about making money online, digital currency like cryptocurrency, affiliate marketing, drop shipping, and how I'm growing my YouTube channel. All right, guys. So any questions, go ahead and drop any comments down below. Or if you do have any type of questions in regards to how to increase your feedback, go ahead and drop it down below as well. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, guys.